If your fabric collage art needs fabric colors and textures that complement each other, stay with me. This curated bundle is ready to use as is. It includes an indigo silk, and this has a taupe cross weave, so you see both colors in there. The back. This is a cotton linen blend weave, and there's different variations in the weave also, as you can see. This is different shades of taupe and ivory. And a little smoky gray kind of color in there also. This is the back. This is a chenille, and it has if you look closer, you can kind of see far away a slight herringbone type look to it. This is a close-up, kind of a boucle type looping in there also. Different shades of indigo. That's the back. Really slight coating on the back, nothing heavy. Just the texture there. Okay, this is a taupe and ivory colored, different shades of taupe and ivory colored cross weave. Get a close up of that. I believe this is a synthetic polyester. And let me show you how it looks next to the other one so you can see how well those pair together. Okay, so you see the different, it is a different weave, but they do look really well together. They pair nicely. Okay, and this last piece is an embossed faux leather and a kind of a mini reptile type look. Let me get a good angle there. You can see the texture of that. Look closer. Okay, and that's a taupe color. And that's the back, is kind of a felt in the back. It's not too thick. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.